Create a new elevation view by inserting a section line in a 2D floor plan view. Elevation views are a variant of section views. The only difference is that the selection line will be inserted in front of a facade and will not cut building elements like walls, etc. You can insert the section lines on a new layer. That allows you to set them invisible with a single mouse click. Section symbols of elevation views will typically not be shown in floor plans. Start the new section view tool on the view ribbon. The tool requires 3 mouse clicks. The first 2 clicks define the axis and width of the elevation view. The third click defines the direction in which the user will look and also the depth of the view. The depth should extend over the entire building. With the third mouse click, a new elevation is automatically created and added to the view list in our project viewer. You can now edit the view properties, scale, and name, for example. One of the most important settings is the hidden line function. This tool recalculates the visible content in your elevation view and removes unnecessary lines. Depending on your view content, that could cost performance, so you should either activate the hidden line function when it comes to printing, or set the views invisible in our project viewer with the checkbox in front of the view entry. Keep the Control key pressed while you draw the section line in order to activate the internal angle grid. That allows you to draw accurate vertical or horizontal lines. We would suggest to create a separate view category and move the elevation views to it. That allows you to set them invisible with a single mouse click. In elevation views, you can use typical 2D functions. See our section view video for examples. If you want to delete the elevation view completely, you have to select and delete the elevation line symbol. Otherwise, the elevation view will continue to exist internally and can be recovered at any time.